The bus stop.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Oh, sure. What's wrong?
I am lost. I need to find the post office.
The post office. Okay. It is on Elm Street.
Is it far from here? Can I walk?
No, it is quite far. You should take a bus.
Oh no. I need to send a gift to my family today.
Don't worry. Taking the bus is easy.
But I am new here. I do not know which bus to take.
No problem. You can take the number 12 bus.
The number 12?
Yes, it stops right in front of the post office.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can wait here. I am also waiting for a bus.
Thank you. My name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm David.
Are you a student, David?
No, I work at the hospital nearby. What about you?
I am a student. I just arrived last week.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. It is very different from my home.
Oh, look, the number 12 bus is coming now.
Wow, speak of the devil.
Yes, that is your bus.
Thank you again, David. You are very kind.
Have a good day, Maria.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning, Anna. You don't look well.
Good morning, doctor. I feel terrible.
What is the matter?
I have a bad stomach ache. It started last month.
Last month? Why did you wait so long to come see me?
I don't know. I was busy. I hoped it would go away.
I see. A stomach ache can be serious. We need to get to the bottom of this.
What do you mean?
We need to find the reason. Do you often skip breakfast?
Yes, sometimes, when I am in a hurry for work.
And do you stay up late?
Yes, I often work on my computer late at night.
Anna, those are not good habits.
I know. I feel very tired today.
You need to change your lifestyle. You must eat breakfast.
Okay, I will try.
And you need to sleep more. Health is wealth, you know.
You are right.
I am going to give you some medicine for the pain.
Thank you, doctor.
Take this 2 times a day after you eat.
Okay, I will.
And please come back next week if you do not feel better.
Thank you, doctor. I will.
Buying shoes for his wife.
Hello. Can you help me?
Good morning, sir. Of course.
I want to buy a gift for my wife.
That's a good idea. What are you looking for?
I want to buy her a pair of shoes.
Okay. Do you know her shoe size?
Let me see. I think she is a size 7.
A size 7. And what color does she like?
She usually wears black shoes.
Black, size 7. Please wait a moment. I have 2 pairs in that size. Take a look.
Oh, I like these ones. They look beautiful.
Yes, they are very popular this season.
I think my wife will love them.
I am sure she will.
What happens if they do not fit her?
You can exchange them for another size.
Oh, good.
You just need to keep the receipt.
I will take them. How much are they?
They are $40.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. I will put them in a bag for you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
The heavy box.
Oh, excuse me. That box looks very heavy.
Yes, it is. These are new computers for the office.
Do you need a hand?
Oh, yes, please. That is very kind of you.
No problem. Where are you going?
To the sales department, room 205.
Okay, I can help you. I am going that way.
Thank you so much. My arms are tired.
I am Mark. I work in accounting.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I am Linda.
Linda, I have not seen you before.
That is right. I am new. I just started last week.
Oh, I see. Well, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Everyone is very friendly here.
That's good to hear. Okay, here is room 205.
Great. You can put the box on that table.
Whew, it was heavy.
You are right.
Do you need help with the other boxes?
No, thank you. This was the last one.
Okay, well, I have to go back to work.
Thank you again, Mark.
You're welcome, Linda.
See you later.
See you.
A new dress for a party.
Good morning. I need some help. Good morning. Of course. What can I do for you? I am looking for a dress. I have a birthday party tonight. Oh, how nice. What kind of dress do you have in mind? I want a long red dress. A long red dress. Okay. What about this one? That is beautiful, but I do not like the long sleeves. No problem. Do you like this one? It has no sleeves. Oh, yes, that is lovely. Can I try it on? Of course. The fitting room is right over there. What do you think? It looks wonderful on you. I love it. It is just what I wanted. Is it a good fit? Yes, it is perfect. I will take it. Great. Will you be paying with cash or card? Credit card, please. Okay. Your total is $50. Here is my card. Thank you. Here is your receipt and your dress. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Enjoy the party tonight.
The busy street.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Oh, hello, dear. Yes, I am just waiting.
You have been standing here for a long time.
Yes, I need to cross the road. My house is over there.
I see.
But the cars are so fast. I am a little nervous.
The traffic is always bad here.
I just can't find a good time to walk.
Would you like me to cross the road with you?
Oh, would you? That is very kind of you.
Of course. It's no problem at all.
Thank you, young man.
We can wait for the light. See, it is red now.
Oh, good.
Now the walk sign is on. Let's go.
Okay, I will hold on to your arm.
Take your time. We can walk slowly.
The cars still look fast.
Don't worry. They must stop for us.
We are almost there.
Here we are, safe and sound.
Oh, thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
You are a very good boy.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, dear. Goodbye.
The university bus stop.
Is this the bus for downtown? Yes, it is. The number 5 bus. Oh, good. Thank you.
You're welcome. It should be here soon.
I hope so. I am new here.
Oh, welcome. My name is Jane.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you a student at the university?
Yes, I am a first-year student.
Me too, but I am a second-year student. Oh, cool.
Is the bus system easy to use?
It looks hard, but it's not so bad.
I am a little nervous. I don't want to get lost.
I used to be nervous too.
Really?
Yes, but now I go everywhere on the bus.
That's good to know.
You will get the hang of it quickly.
I hope so.
Oh, look, here comes the bus.
Great.
We can sit together. I can show you where to get off.
That is so nice of you.
No problem. We are both students.
Thank you, Jane.
A simple favor.
Hi, Anna. What's the matter?
Oh, hi, Peter. I don't feel well.
You look pale. Are you okay?
I have a bad stomach ache.
Oh, no. Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, I haven't eaten anything.
You look really under the weather.
I feel it. My stomach really hurts.
What can I do? How can I help you?
Could you do me a favor?
Of course, anything.
Could you buy me some bread and medicine from the pharmacy?
Yes, of course. Medicine for a stomachache.
And maybe some plain bread? I am very hungry.
Yes, that is a good idea. Medicine and bread.
Thank you, Peter. You are a good friend.
Don't worry about it.
Here is some money.
No, it's okay. I can pay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will be right back.
Thank you so much.
You just rest, okay?
I will. Thank you.
At the pharmacy.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
My friend is sick. She has a very bad stomachache.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
She looks very pale and hasn't eaten today.
I see. Does she have a fever?
I don't think so. It's just her stomach.
Okay, I can give you some medicine for the pain.
Thank you.
This will help her feel better for now.
That's good.
But this is very important. She should go to the hospital if the pain gets worse.
To the hospital?
Yes, a bad stomachache can be serious.
Okay, I will tell her.
Also, she should not stay up late or skip breakfast.
I think she does that all the time.
That is not a good habit. It can make her sick.
I will tell her. How much is the medicine?
It is $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Tell your friend to take it easy and rest.
I will. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. I hope she feels better soon.
A windy day in the park.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh, yes. Please, go ahead.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and it's warm.
It is much nicer than yesterday.
I know. Yesterday was so cold and cloudy.
I wore my big coat all day.
Me too. I am happy it is sunny today.
Oh, the wind is starting again.
And look at the sky. It is getting dark.
The weather changes so fast here in Chicago.
You can say that again. 1 minute it's sunny.
Do you think it will rain?
I think so. I just felt a drop of rain.
Oh no, I don't have my umbrella.
I have one. I always bring my umbrella.
That is very smart.
Yes, my mother always says, better safe than sorry.
That's a good saying.
Look, it's raining harder now.
I should go home. My apartment is near here.
Okay, I am going to the coffee shop across the street.
That's a good idea.
It was nice to meet you.
You too. Stay dry.
Thanks. Goodbye.